Welcome. If you're looking to change your password on the Roblox app for PC after the latest update, you're in the right place. Keeping your account secure is always a smart move, and updating your password regularly is one of the best ways to do it. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can get it done quickly and easily. First, start by opening the Roblox app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look to the left side of the screen for the menu. Click on the option labeled More. This will open up a new set of choices for your account management. Next, find and select Settings. Inside the Settings menu, you'll see several tabs. Choose Account Info. This is where you'll find all your important account details, including your password settings. Now, look for the Password section. Right next to your password, you'll see a small edit icon. It usually looks like a pencil or a paper and pen. Click on this icon to start the password change process. A new window will pop up asking you to enter your current password. Type it in carefully. Then, in the next field, enter the new password you want to use. For extra security, make sure your new password is unique and not used on other websites. After that, you'll need to confirm your new password by typing it in again. Double-check both entries to make sure they match. Once you're sure everything is correct, click the Update button. Roblox will process your request, and if everything checks out, your password will be changed. You should see a confirmation message letting you know the update was successful. That's it. You've just updated your Roblox password on PC. Remember to keep your new password safe and consider enabling two-step verification for even more protection. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy your time on Roblox.